Ever stared at your bank statement, wondering where all your money went? Maybe you've got a sneaking suspicion it's those sneaky subscriptions, those little monthly charges that add up to a big drain on your budget. You're not alone. We've all been there. You're trying to get your finances under control. Maybe you've heard about YNAB, you need a budget, and you're thinking, perfect. This will finally help me track all those subscriptions. But then the question hits you, does YNAB actually track subscriptions automatically? Does it magically pull in all those recurring charges and categorize them for you? Or is it something else entirely? Let's dive in and clear up the confusion. Many people assume budgeting software, especially something as powerful as YNAB, would automatically track subscriptions. After all, isn't that what technology is for? The truth is, YNAB doesn't directly pull in and automatically categorize your subscriptions in the way you might expect. It doesn't have a dedicated subscription tracker feature that scans your bank statements and populates a list for you. Instead, YNAB takes a different, and arguably more powerful, approach. It's built on the philosophy of proactive budgeting. You're not just passively recording what happened, you're actively deciding where your money goes before it leaves your account. This is where the magic happens. So, how do you handle subscriptions in YNAB? You budget for them. You create categories for each of your subscriptions, whether it's Netflix, Spotify, your gym membership, or that software you forgot you signed up for. You look at your upcoming bills and allocate the exact amount of money needed for each. This forces you to be intentional about your spending and aware of the true cost of those recurring charges. Why is this better than automatic tracking? First, it gives you complete control. You see exactly how much you're spending on subscriptions each month, and you can easily adjust your budget if needed. Second, it helps you identify subscriptions you might not even be using. How many times have you signed up for a free trial and forgotten to cancel? With YNAB, you'll see those charges in your budget, prompting you to take action. Third, it promotes mindful spending. When you actively budget for each subscription, you're more likely to consider whether it's truly worth the cost. This can lead to significant savings over time. You're not just reacting to your spending, you're shaping it. Think of it like this: YNAB isn't a passive observer, it's an active participant in your financial journey. It empowers you to take ownership of your money and make informed decisions. By budgeting for your subscriptions, you're not just tracking them, you're controlling them. While YNAB doesn't automatically track subscriptions in the traditional sense, its budgeting approach is far more effective. It encourages you to be proactive, mindful, and in control of your finances. You're not just looking at the past, you're planning for the future. You're not just reacting to your spending, you're dictating it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.